This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Corey Day. Move in Ready Townhome in the gated Foxmoor section of Panther Trace. Spacious open floor plan with plenty of living space, natural light, and storage. Unlike many townhomes where you enter immediately into the main living space, this plan included a foyer and dining/flex area at the front of the home with the kitchen and great room at the rear for more privacy and better function. Sliding glass doors off the rear of the great room lead to the covered and screened lanai/patio which overlooks the picturesque pond behind the home. The kitchen overlooks the great room and is complete with wood cabinetry, range, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, and pantry. There is a powder room on the first level and 2 ensuite baths on the second floor. The primary bedroom has dual walk-in closets, ensuite bath and views of the pond behind the home. The secondary bedroom also has an ensuite bath and full wall closet. New water heater, HVAC 2019, and although the roof is maintained by the HOA, it has been replaced recently. Foxmoor is a well-maintained gated community with no CDD fees, affordable HOA fees which include water/sewer/trash/exterior maintenance/community pool and cabana. Located in the heart of Riverview, the community is convenient to highways, shopping, dining, medical facilities, schools and much more. Don't miss this opportunity. See remarks for more information.